Porn has distorted our view on true love. Love is not about performance. It's not about lasting 1 hour, 2 hours. Remember, with porn movies, there is cut. Okay, let's do another position.
Yeah.
And then while they are cut, others are busy, putting some. And hey, there are drugs involved. These porn stars, they don't last in the industry. This is something which we don't talk about.
Which is not
Yeah. So I'm trying to put an understanding. And yes, you are quite right, Mr. Ghost. Let's educate our young people. First of all, there is true love. True love is when you meet a woman. When a woman loves you, Zix Manda, she's afraid to even ask you for money.
When a woman loves you.
When a woman
Really?
genuinely loves you.
Women love money.
She doesn't make demands.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
When a woman genuinely loves you, when you just touch her, the nerves, they go to the brain and they activate all her sensual feelings, and she can become wet just by touch. Some women, they just love your voice. They say, you're just charming with your voice. Some women, they just love your smile. They say, your smile.
Yeah.
So sexual arousal to women, it's not just physical performance. You don't have to last 1 hour, 30 minutes. Why, Bon? Women get aroused emotionally by you bonding with her. They get arousal, obviously, physically by your attraction. Like I mentioned, all those examples, even your body structure, the manhood in us. We don't have to, to be superficial. And women also, they enjoy foreplay.
It is important.
Yeah, my thought. I sense any foreplay. Yeah. Massage your woman. Yeah. Buy those baby oils or whatever, sensual oils. They are available. Remember, while you are massaging those breasts, those parts, you are also getting aroused as well. So you are activating, you are getting ready. And as you enter here, obviously there is that chemistry already which is existing. And that love, I'm telling you, emotionally, psychologically, once you bond, and even physically with the person that you love, and there's genuine true love, why perform?
Yeah, why perform?
Why look for
why be Superman?
Helicopter, Superman.
Why be Superman?
Be this superstar porn and think your dick is not big enough. Hey, let me help men.
Let us educate
God
them.
didn't create a human being with 3 legs.
Hey.
There's no such thing that a penis can grow. There is no medication that grows a penis.
Ukulisa.
It's a lie. It's a lie. It's a lie. And the size of your penis, which is natural, can satisfy any woman as long as that woman truly loves you.
True love. So love should be the center.
Absolutely.
Okay.
You must choose the woman you love. Not look for every woman and think when I was over staring. Psychologically, it's going to affect you.